we'll definitely see a good potential for discovery, and owning these projects outright with very low burn costs from Riverside sets us up in a great position.
Joining us for a conversation is Dr. John Mark Stouty of Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden. Dr. Stouty, welcome to the show, sir.
Maurice, great to be here with you.
It's a great time to have you on the show to discuss the unique opportunity that Riverside Resources presents to the market. Before we begin, Dr. Stouty, please introduce us to Riverside Resources.
Riverside is a prospect generator. We have strong partners, and we explore de-risking projects using other people's money while Riverside retains royalties, has a strong cash position, and progresses some of the assets ourselves.
One of the many virtues that Riverside Resources presents to shareholders is the project generator business model, which limits share dilution while using other companies' capital on your projects. Can you please go into the details regarding your structure and cash on hand and how this differentiates Riverside Resources from its peers?
You know, right now, Riverside's in a fabulous position. We have over $5.5 million cash. We have no debt. We also have no warrants. We're in such a strong cash position. We have a market cap that's less than $15 million. We have 72 million shares out after 14 years of being public. You know, for Riverside, we kind of feel it's almost a unicorn. We're fairly unique that we've actually got such a strong cash position, such a low market cap, and so many different projects moving ahead. It really makes Riverside a great investment currently.
Great to hear how you are so different and unique from your peers out there. But let's chat now about catalysts. What upcoming catalyst does Riverside Resources currently possess that could push the share price and the general market cap higher?
We're so excited. One of the key things is our joint venture programs, working with the world's largest mining company, BHP, working on copper in Sonora, Mexico. We have programs going forward with geophysics and exploration. Those are good catalysts. Also in Canada, we're very excited. We're currently working on our own projects, and we're also having going forward with getting more transactions done in Canada. So we see that also really being transformational in the coming months for Riverside share price.
A number of catalysts, but what results recently do you see are the most significant?
You know, recently I'm so excited by one of the things is the Union project in Sonora, Mexico. High grades, and we'll see more results coming out of gold and also polymetallic. Another thing is getting over $5 million of BHP funding to do exploration. That's great. It really comes directly to our company, not being any share dilution, and the catalysts there are fabulous. I think the third thing for us is the transactions we're doing in Ontario, and that's a lot of fun. We definitely see that the Geraldton Gold Belt is progressing now with Equinox Gold building a giant over $1 billion new gold mine and Riverside adjacent to us. So for us, those assets are around us, and we're delighted where Riverside's positioned.
Now thereafter, what do you see as the next top results coming out?
Man, I'm really excited about the work with copper. You know, copper is so important, and Riverside has 5 projects moving with BHP. I'm really excited. I mean, here's a sample of some of the mineralization we're finding, high-grade copper mineralization. That's excellent. So I see that as one of the key things. Secondly, the Union project. There, the historic work of the past was good, but we've been out in the field now and coming up with high-grade results. And we're very excited about the exploration potential at this very nice new district for Riverside that Riverside owns 100%. I think the third thing for us is Canada in the Geraldton Gold Belt. And overall, we look to get a deal on our High Lakes Gold project over in Kenora in westernmost part of Ontario. So I think that's 4 different things we see coming in the coming months that we're very excited for Riverside on.
Well, sticking with Canada, how do you see your progress in Canada?
You know, this summer was tough because of the fire danger, but Riverside pushed through, and we were able to get good geophysics done, including IP. That geophysics is so positive for us. You know, we have historic drilling, and this is some of the drill core from that historic work. And the drilling that we've had in the past there was positive, and now we see the new drill potential. So we're very excited by the recent results of exploration of the Oaks project and where Riverside can go. And we're very excited by the potential of this large belt of the Geraldton Gold Belt, where Riverside has a strong land position.
Switching gears, let's discuss BHP. Are you pleased with the progress there so far with your relationship with BHP?
You know, we're so lucky. We've been working together for 3 years now, and over those 3 years, we've now developed a portfolio of advanced projects, developing projects, and then a whole bunch of generative projects. I'm very excited by it. I'm really glad to see that we're going ahead. I'm actually off to the airport tomorrow to go down to the field, to be out in the field with BHP as we're going forward with our program. The thing we really like is the big scale. Looking at big porphyry copper projects, district scales with the world's largest copper company is a great position for Riverside to have a free carry, to be moving ahead, have no dilution. So I'm very excited by the results and pleased with our progress with BHP.
In closing, Dr. Stouty, any remarks regarding the year 2021 for Riverside Resources and what you look forward to in 2022?
In 2022, I'm really excited for gold. I'm really excited both in Canada, Mexico, and actually we're expanding beyond those jurisdictions as well. Riverside has been active in the past in the United States. We do have a large resource project there that's a non-compliant resource of a historic nature that we own the royalty on. And we do see diversification. I think the second thing in 2022 will be drill results. Super excited by the programs that we have going in Mexico and in Canada. I think the third thing is we've been able to acquire good projects during the downturns in the market. And now during 2022, we definitely see them growing. I'm so excited for 2022 with the growth on the projects we have. Going forward on the different properties, we'll definitely see a good potential for discovery, and owning these projects outright with very low burn costs from Riverside sets us up in a great position. With no warrants, over $5.5 million cash, and a low share price, we have really good upside. I recently bought more shares myself, and I continue to buy. I'm really excited by the potential for 2022.
Well, Dr. Stouty, for someone that wants to become a shareholder, please share your ticker symbols.
Please come to visit our website. That's RIVRES.com. And our ticker symbol is RRI on the Toronto and RVSDF on the OTC. We'd love to speak to any of you that wish to call us at 778-327-6671.
Dr. Stouty, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Wishing you and Riverside Resources the absolute best, sir.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.